back. This video is we move to the last part of this 2.3's text without LaTeX part. We have quite several samples talking about working with text. And now let's use one more example to show you how to work with markup text. We have shown the difference between these two in our, let's see, go to our mind map. So when we come to this lecture 030, we already have these two show you the difference. But now let's use our example. So putting here, so that you can have a recap and get some understanding about what means this markup text, which is use this Pango markup. Let's go to our part. I think it's text with this text. Let me see this. First one is hello world. Second one is the single line. So this single line is the markup. Hello world is just a text. So when you look at this sample, you can refer to this number 02. So but let's finish this one with adding our 2.3 113. And then I will make our part is just a markup.py. Try to make that small or short. Import and class So these first three lines are always the same. Now we have a text not equal to text, is equal to markup text, but still wrap in parentheses. And after that is we have this format. Within that is you can starting to use the HTML based style. So now you can see here is quite long. I will copy that. So from here, just ensure you will have all of those the tabs, don't make them try to see when you have a beginning tag, then you should have this closing tag. So but I see I have two closing tag for this span, so that should not be correct. Here is a closing span, here is another closing span, so that not correct. I think it's this except. So what's that mean? So span this underline. So these three words will be the under double line, and with the green color for the line. That inside this span part, so that is the style. Then we have these three words, and here is the closing span, so that is correct. And then in our red text, so here is the another span. So but where is my yellow? In the here. So I didn't show this. So that is the span, and then give the front color. So this in the red text. Where is in the red text? There's no specific style, and it will inherit from this overall red. And then we give this font size, not so many. So let's see, 34. Then after that is very easy. So self-add text. So let's start to render this. List on that Manim PQL with this markup MarkupText. And here we go if the second one is the foreground color is yellow. So now I go to arrow, so color, initial go to unexpected keywords arguments color. So that color equal to red. Do I have a double quote? No, so I think it's F color. I don't think that is the, yeah, no. So in the line 5, text equal to markup text. Let's see, so def construct self. Now is the interested debugging parts. So I hope you can find before I find out that add text. So that is fine, that is good. This is good. Font size. The arrow is here. It's mentioned I should have a comma. That's no problem. So without that is I will put like just test wording. So I will make that small part to see whether it's still this color issue. If it's not, then that should be my string issue. So here you can see that is color. It's not this color issue, so I will not make that comments. That means font size also are arrow. So do I have some wrapping issue? So if I don't have this one, then what this means? Let's make sure it's our markup text is working first. Okay, initial scene. So it's not this part issue. So I hope it's you find some before me. So here SCNE. That is also correct. Self-add this text. I don't see any issues. Is comma. Let's run this one. So single line. So any difference? If I put in here color equal to purple, that is correct, right? So if I copy this one, all the others are same. So that is one another way you can do the troubleshooting because that part code are working. So I put that here and to see. So let me run that. Oh, so that means it's not working. Then I now come to here. So this single line is the Manim PQL with this single line color. So let's re-render this one. Where is my outputs? So I'll put this here. Let me get this one. Okay, I got this correct. So that must be something is I need to make that compare. So over single line, let's make, you can do like me, putting this here. Then your markup is in the left. Let's compare. So markup text, this one, I don't see any issue. So from Manim import, then this def will have this construct. But here you can see markup text here doesn't have our color coding. And this one is the different here. I think is I put that exact same. Def is add text. Let me do our one more check. Yeah, thanks for your waiting. I think is I got uh, the findings. It's kind of tricky. It's not due to the content. Like is I have a copy exact the same part putting here. Then ignore all of those. Then you can see is working and can be rendered this one part. And then when I start to let me delete that to run this and only have those part. So those part is coming copy from here. Then you can see here I got the another arrow. I replace all of them. So still has this color. Why? Finally, I think is the issue is coming from here. This class defined is markup text, but I used markup text. So this you may treat that as our keywords or the reserve words within the Manim. So I cannot use this one because when I call that is they're starting to recognize this within here is the markup text and waiting for the arguments. So then this one is generate issues. So now if I put all of these here, I can delete this one and then uncomment this one. But it's really give me some minutes to find this one. Thanks for your waiting. So test. So don't use that reserve word. Then I should change this to test instead. Then there's no conflict within this markup text keywords. So now your this expected result is coming. Here's double green line, and here is the yellow for front for front color, and all the text is in red coming from this one, and you set this font size. Okay, so that is another funny finding. So, but with that is we finally we make this work. I hope is you don't have the same mistake like me. But if you find this one before me, congratulations, is you are already more free this powerful using Python. So then this we finish this text without LaTeX. We can see we have done half for this rendering text and the formulas. And from next video, you can see we will have quite several more with the text with LaTeX. So then we will starting to do this overview in this 039 first. So see you in the next part. Bye for now.